Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We have a question of integration here. Cos square theta, cot square theta of d theta. We have to find out the integration of this question here. So here 1 plus cot square theta, it is equals to cosec square theta. We have a basic formula. So when we have to find out the value of cot square theta, that will be equals to cosec square theta minus 1. So here we have to find out we have to use this formula here. So this is cos square theta and cot square theta, it is equals to cos square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus 1 into d theta. Cot theta, we have a basic formula 1 plus cot square theta, it is equals to cosec square theta. So we have to shift this one there. We have the value of cot square theta, it is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. We have to put the value of cot square theta here. So this is, now we have to multiply cos square theta into cosec square theta, and then cos square theta minus 1. So this is cos square theta multiplied by 1 remain same. Now here cos square theta, cosec square theta, it is equals to 1 over sin square theta, because cosec theta, it is equals to 1 over sin theta. So just we have to put the value here, cos square theta d theta. So this is, now we have to separate these all one, cos square theta over sin square theta into d theta. Sign of integration and d theta will multiply by this one and this one. And this is cos square theta into d theta. Now cos upon sin, it is equals to cot square theta. And this is cos square theta. Now here cot square theta, again we have the formula cot square theta, it is equals to cosec square theta, it is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Why we have to change cot square theta? Because we don't have any direct formula to find out the integration of cot square theta. That is why we have to convert cot square theta, it is equals to cosec square theta minus 1, because we have the formula of integration cosec square theta. And here the same situation here also, cos square theta, we don't have the direct formula of cos square theta. So here we have the basic formula cos square theta, it is equals to cos square theta, it is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2. This is the basic formula of cos square theta. So we have to put the value of cos square theta here, because again we don't have the direct formula of cos square theta of integration here. So that is why we have to convert cos square theta into its relative formula, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So this is 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2 into d theta. Now we have to separate this one, cosec square theta d theta minus d theta. Sign of integration and d theta, we have to multiply this one. Separate the LCM, 1 over 2 cos 2 theta over 2. into d theta. So here cosec square theta d theta minus d theta minus 1 upon 2 d theta 1 upon 2, we have to take out outside the integration, sign of integration, and this is minus plus minus 1 upon 2 and then cos 2 theta d theta. Now we have the formula of cos square theta cosec square theta. We have the formula cosec square theta, it is equals to minus cot theta. The formula of integration here cosec square theta d theta, we have its formula, it is minus cot theta. Minus 1, so this will cancel out to this one, d theta minus 1 upon 2 d theta minus 2. Then this is cos 2 theta, its formula is sin 2 theta over 2 plus c. Here we have the formula of cos a theta d theta, it is equals to the integration of cos a theta divided by a. This is its basic formula here. So this is minus cot theta minus, take out the LCM here, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 theta and 1 upon 2 2s are 4 sine 2 theta plus c. This is the answer of this question. Dear students, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Rafat. Allah Hafiz.